Hello everybody, welcome back. We've got the train coming.
Yeah, let's check what's going on.
There we go. There it is. There it is. Let's go down in a moment.
Okay, let's back up in.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Whoops, timing is off. There. What time is it?
79.
Oh. So it's a bit late than usual. Usually it's 7:05. Guess the time did get adjusted. It's got the front lights on in the red reverse. It's unusual. Ah, dang it. Seems like we've got little F-59. Hang on, let's look inside. Yeah, this is one of the trains, after, like, it's Saturday, no one really takes the trains, because usually, no, it's Sunday, no one usually takes the train because work's off.
This road is so great.
Once you get used to it, EMD exhaust actually smells good. Which may shock some of you that are not used to it. Once you're used to it, you're used to it. This was one of the older cars. Another one of the older cars. Oh, that one was Elmhurst. New screen they installed. Tells you the time. We're not checking Venture 24/7. Or at least when we're here. Oh. Now the light is green for the train. It was at flash of orange when we got here. It was like that for quite a while. And it's green down there too. Well guys, see you next time. Bye.